Oh, wow. What is this beautiful plant?
So this is white stripe. It's one of the shortest bamboos we have. Total height of maybe 2 feet. This
Really?
is fully mature. It's a runner. It spreads. It fills in the area, but it's easy to control. And in the winter, it starts to get a little shabby. And right before spring, you just cut it to the ground and with a weed whacker, and you'll get all new fresh growth.
Is this a hardy bamboo?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. This will be green year-round in most of the country.
Now, I couldn't help but notice behind you this bamboo with this unusual green stripe in the groove. What's this?
So this is Castellan. All of the Castellan in the world came from one plant. They're all clones.
I think this is quite stunning. And this color will stay like this all the time?
All the time.
Oh my gosh, that is really beautiful. Now, I notice that you have the two different bamboos in here in a different display. And I love how the ground cover just kind of spread in between them. And they can be used together. They don't crowd each other out?
They survive very well together. And from a distance, the planting looks uniform. The shoots come at the same time. It's like one plant, and yet you get this very interesting contrast in color. And there's no problem mixing bamboos.